In this video, we are going to fix the black screen of death that Samsung users face on their Samsung Galaxy phones. Let's begin. The black screen of death is a frustrating issue where your Samsung Galaxy phone screen goes black but still responds to your touch or rings and vibrates as usual. Tried force restarting the device but still the device is stuck at the black screen? Then let us move on to other fixes. Another thing you can do to fix the black screen of death is to let its battery drain completely. Once your phone turns off, recharge it using a compatible charger. Did your Samsung screen turn black after you dropped it on the floor or a hard surface? This might have damaged some of the internal components, causing such unusual behavior. Check your phone for signs of visual damage as well as stuck physical buttons. If all else fails, you can perform a factory reset as a last resort. Keep in mind that this will erase all the data on your phone, including apps, photos, videos, and other files, as well as reset all the settings. Use the following link to visit Google's Find My Device website and sign in with the same Google account that is associated with the phone you are trying to erase. Once signed in, select your device from the list and use the Erase Device option. Like and share the video if this trick helped you, and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tips and tricks like these. Also, don't forget to check out these videos we think you might like and enjoy. Signing off for now.